In the last 4 videos, I created a snake game completely from scratch only using ChatGPT, including the backend to display live leaderboard. It's available online for you to play and you can watch those videos on my channel. Today, I'll be briefing you a little bit about what ChatGPT is and how to use it. In simple terms, ChatGPT or any other large language model LLM is like a super smart computer program that can speak with you. It's created by a company called OpenAI. While many people know ChatGPT from the version 3.5, the version was launched in November 2022 and its advanced capabilities made it widely known and popular. It actually started much earlier with GPT-2 in February 2019. ChatGPT-2 was a game changer in the world of AI because it could generate text that made sense and fit the context. Imagine teaching a computer to read thousands of books and websites, and then it starts writing its own stories, articles, and answers. This breakthrough set the stage for an even more advanced models like GPT 3.5, GPT-4, and GPT-4o. So the next time you use ChatGPT, remember it all began with GPT-2, which is not quite well known. I was surprised to find that when I talked to my friends or any others around me about such tool, many were still unaware of such technology. This is the reason I thought of starting this channel, to increase awareness and to demonstrate how important it is to use such technology. Such tools can help you enhance your productivity and even help you learn new skills. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone who is just curious about the world, leveraging this tool can give you a significant edge. You might not realize this, but with such tool, it's like having an expert, even a PhD scholar from a top university right in the palm of your hand, and you can ask any questions about anything you might have in your mind. So let's see ChatGPT in action. So you can go to chatgpt.com. So this is the interface you see when accessing ChatGPT. You can use it in your computer, mobile phone, or mobile app. While you don't need to log in to interact, this version only offers the GPT-4o mini model, which is their least capable model. So for more advanced features like interacting with attachments or generating photos, you'll need to log in or register for an account, which is straightforward. So here's the page after you are logged in. So from the drop down, you get 3 options. You can upgrade to a Plus member, which I'll show you at the end. The second option is the current version itself. It doesn't show, but this is ChatGPT 4o. So when log in and ask anything here, your queries are saved, allowing for a follow-up conversations. So this allows you to upload files and get assistance with it. But there's a limit for free users of around 10 messages per day. After that, you can continue with GPT-4o mini model, the free version. So let me show you. I'll upload this one PDF file and ask it, explain this file to me. So this is the document about India's new budget. It has gone through the file and knows what this is. So I can ask a follow-up question like, what is the new income tax slab as per the new budget? See, it's reading the file again. See, it provides that necessary information. So just a few days ago, OpenAI allowed users to generate 2 images a day for free. So let me show you how you can generate photos with it. I can say like a man with a balloon head. And it generates me the image with that specification. So there are so many use cases you can use this image generation for, maybe creating a logo for your business, graphic designs, and many more. And lastly, from the drop down, the temporary chat that lets you converse without saving your conversation. So that's about it about the drop down. Now let's talk about custom GPTs. So these are personalized version of ChatGPT designed for a specific task or topics. For example, if you need help with cooking, a custom GPT trained in recipes can give you expert advice. Or if you are studying maths, a custom GPT can help explain complex problems. So custom GPTs provide specialized knowledge, making them incredibly useful for focused needs. Another cool feature of ChatGPT is its ability to interact through voice with the mobile app. Instead of typing your question, you can speak to it and ChatGPT will respond with a voice reply. This is handy when you are on the go or prefer talking over typing. Here is the app version of ChatGPT. You can click on this microphone icon to start talking to it. Let me show you one now. I can say something like, I'm recording a YouTube video right now explaining ChatGPT and I want you to say the intro for me.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that's been taking the internet by storm. Whether you're a beginner curious about AI or a seasoned techie looking to learn more about this groundbreaking tool, you're in the right place. We'll explore what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how you can use it to boost productivity, enhance creativity, or just have some fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck with your recording.
Well, if you think that's cool, OpenAI recently rolled out a new advanced voice assistant that can talk just like a human.
Hey, if a frog sung happy birthday, what would it sound like?
Hmm. I guess it would be something like Ribbit, happy birthday to you, Ribbit. Quite the amphibious serenade.
It's being gradually introduced to a few selected Plus members. So hopefully I'll get access to that soon since I'm also a Plus member. So ChatGPT can help you with almost anything, like write a website code for you. You can watch my previous video where I created a whole registration form, including the backend only using ChatGPT. All the code were provided from ChatGPT. Or you can ask it how do I bake a cake or even how to change a baby diaper. Literally anything you might have in your mind. Or you can even ask it how to write a movie script or maybe write a song lyrics for you. In fact, let's get one song lyrics now. So I can say something like, write a rap song about how I love my mom and how sorry I am that I was a bad kid. Use explicit language since that's how most rap songs are. See, in just a few seconds, it has written all this, but it's not using explicit words as requested. So I'm gonna push it one more and say, no, I want with explicit language. See, this is wild. I can even push it further by asking it, what is the guitar chord suitable for that? And just like that, the full song is ready. All I need is a singer to sing it. Now I'll show you what the Plus member page looks like. So as a Plus member, I can access multiple options, but the one that is mostly used is ChatGPT 4o itself, which is also available for free. One of the main advantages is the increased cap limit of 80 messages for every 3 hours. The only thing that only a Plus member can do is create a custom GPTs, a feature not available for free users. Otherwise, everything else can be done with a free account, but just there's a limitation in the number of messages you can send or ask. So again, I might create a detailed videos about custom GPTs and how to use them properly and how to create one. So that's a quick introduction of ChatGPT. It's a powerful tool that's changing the way we interact with technology. I might create a dedicated videos for each feature where I'll dive deep in the details and explain how to make the best of each one. So if you found this video helpful, maybe consider hitting that like button and maybe share it with someone who might find this helpful as well. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.